You've spent the money, you've filed the paperwork, and you've gotten your patent. Congratulations. But here's the big question most inventors forget to ask. Now what? Because having a patent doesn't automatically make your invention valuable. In fact, what you do next determines whether your patent becomes a real asset or just a pretty certificate hanging on your wall. Hi, I'm Rich Goldstein, and I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs to protect their ideas. On this channel, I explain the patent process in simple terms so that you can make the right choices for your invention. Step 1. Using patents to build leverage. The first thing patents do is give you leverage. Leverage when talking to potential partners because you could prove that you own your invention. Leverage when pitching investors because having patents make your company look stronger, safer, and more valuable. In fact, startups with patents often raise money at higher valuations because investors see the patent portfolio as adding a layer of security. If someone likes your idea, the reason that they're going to work with you, the leverage you have to get them to work with you, is the fact that you have the patent and they can't do it without you. So don't just think of patents as protection, think of them as negotiation power. Step 2. Enforce when necessary. Second, a patent only works if you're willing to enforce it. Now, I don't mean you need to go out and sue everybody. That's rarely the first step. But you do need to monitor the market for copycats. If you see someone infringing, sending a cease and desist letter might solve the problem quickly and quietly, but it may also rope you into a litigation that you didn't want. You need to get advice from an experienced patent litigator before sending out a cease and desist letter, because litigation is usually the last resort. But it is important to understand that a patent is only as strong as your willingness to defend it. So build a reasonable budget around enforcement. It's part of making your patent effective. Step 3. Monetize your patents. Licensing is a powerful option, letting other companies use your patent in exchange for paying you royalties. You could also sell your patent outright if you don't want to commercialize the product yourself. And sometimes the value comes simply from keeping your competitors at bay, selling your product, and avoiding losing money from copycats. Big companies often hold patents as a defensive shield, making it harder for rivals to enter their space. In other words, patents can be an income source, a bargaining chip, or strategic wall around your business. Step 4. Maintain your patents. Utility patents require ongoing maintenance to stay in force. And here's a pro tip. You don't need to keep every patent alive. Revisit your portfolio every few years and see which patents continue to be valuable to your business. Keep the ones that support your goals and let the rest expire. That way, you're investing your money where it matters most. So you've got patents. Now what? Use them to build leverage, enforce them when necessary, monetize them where you can, and maintain only the ones that align with your strategy. A patent isn't the finish line, it's a tool. And how you use that tool determines whether it helps build your business or just gathers dust. If you found this helpful, check out my other videos where I explain how to use patents strategically to protect your ideas and grow your business.